Hello, welcome to our presentation on the Big Bang Theory. Today we will cover evidence on what made the Big Bang occur, the life cycle of stars, what the Milky Way is made of, and how the species of humans began and came to be. So, there's a well-known theory that many believes it is what began the universe, or is widely known as the Big Bang. Many believed the Big Bang occurred 13.73 billion years ago because the oldest stars discovered in the universe is also 13 billion years old, and believe the stars began to form soon after the Big Bang occurred. No one knows if anything ever occurred before the Big Bang, but then a hot and compressed dot had come along, smaller than a grain of sand, which carried everything. The dot had all of a sudden released a massive amount of energy, which resulted the universe into immediately expanding, and it is still constantly expanding, creating more space. But what makes this information about the Big Bang true? Well, there are evidences that the human eye has seen that is believed it backs up the occurrence of the Big Bang. The first evidence is called the redshift of galaxies. It is the occurrence of when an object in space is moving further away. Its shade shifts to a redder tone, hence the name redshift. This backs up on the theory that the galaxy is constantly expanding and expanding. The second evidence is called the cosmic microwave background. It is believed it is thermal radiation left over from when the Big Bang instantly occurred. It is a form of electromagnetic radiation that fills the universe with its soft light from every direction. It's actually known as the most reliable evidence of the Big Bang because it has illustrated over time when the universe's temperature was available enough to form hydrogen atoms, making the universe be able to see through radiation. The third evidence is called the dark energy. It is an unexplained force that seems to be gradually separating galaxies away, a sign of expansion of the universe. Dark energy affects the expansion of the universe because mass creates gravity, gravity creates pull, pulling creates expansion. The life cycle of stars begins in a nebula and ends in a black hole. A star's life cycle to live is a struggle because they fight the gravitational pull, which pulls them down to fall, leading them to an internal pressure. And the mass of the star puts a risk on their lives as it is harder to maintain the gravitational pull that is pressured on them. So the bigger the star is, the shorter lifespan it has, and the smaller it is, the longer lifespan it has. Stars are born, stars live, and they die. The sun is actually a star, consisted of gases, and without the sun's beneficial energy and the heat, it will be impossible to have life on Earth. Now, the Milky Way is one of the large galaxies in a group of galaxies which contains 100 billion stars, dust, gas, as well as our sun, and the solar system, and we can be located about halfway from the center. The Milky Way also contains these ball-shaped clusters, which which each contains 1 million stars. Scientists and researchers are unsure what is in the center of the galaxy, but many believe it is taken up by a black hole that can suck in anything that goes too close in it. One of the larger galaxies is known as Andromeda, located in the Andromeda constellation, and is the nearest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way, about 2.5 million light years. It contains 1 trillion stars, and fun fact, in approximately 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda are expected to collide. The Moon is believed to have started to form around 4.5 million years ago. The planets of the solar system began to form when the Sun came to light. The Moon, just like the Earth, has layers, and it is believed to be formed when a planet the size of Mars, called Theia, collided with Earth with the right speed and debris to form the Moon. The Earth is 4 times bigger than the Moon. Evolution means the change in a population over time. Population means a group of the same species that share a specific location and habitat. Evolution changes the genetic level. Evolution is the process that results in changes that are passed on or inherited from one generation to another. When an organism changes over many generations, it might be better suited to life or more likely to die. Many evolution occurs on Earth, such as convergent evolution, divergent evolution, and coevolution. During evolution, humans developed certain characteristics that gave them a better chance of survival. Humans did not evolve from apes. Instead, millions of years ago, humans and apes share ancestors. Common ancestors diverged over time to form many different species. One who survived to become modern human. During the evolution of human beings, many features gave individuals a kit of advantages that offered them a better chance of survival, such as the ability to stand up straight and having a larger brain, so they were able to plan ahead, work together, and soon be able to speak.